Hi guys, as you know I'm just a beginner in YouTube and I want to thank you all for bearing with me. Okay, the things we're doing today is a love heart, outside love heart. We are doing love this, a bumblebee, and we're doing a toilet roll love heart. Okay, so we'll start with this guy. So what I did, I had a spare red card. So I got the red card and I got my love heart and step one, I traced around the love heart, okay, all the way around, and then I needed 4 smaller ones, so I have smaller love hearts on here, and I did 4 of these. I traced around these as well. When I had them traced for step 2, I cut them out, so we have 5 love hearts in total. So we cut out the love hearts. I just tried some crappy scissors. Now guys, you've got to bear with me because I'm only starting to do this now and I have to learn. It's like a learning curve for me again. So we're all on the same journey together. So this is the first big love heart. Then we have 4 little ones. Okay. I love Valentine's Day because there's so many lovely ideas there. 2. And remember, like I keep saying, if you haven't got construction paper, you just get cards, your card, pizza card, cut out the love hearts and you can paint them red then. But I said all the spare and like I said, we're eco-friendly, so we want to use everything we have. Not dumping the waste. So we have 4 love hearts here. Again, if you find it hard to cut, ask your mom and dad. So now we're going on to step 3. So step 3 what I do is I got a large sheet of card and I cut out straight lines. Okay, I'm just going to finish this. So we'll just do the hands. Okay, then if you can zigzag, you're going to zigzag like this. Okay, it's like a fan. Okay, that's going to be his legs. And you cut it in half. So we've got our love heart. We get our stapler and we staple one hand. You can use glue, but again, if you use glue, remember that you'll have to wait till it dries. One leg here, one leg here. You get your love heart feet. So one here, one here. I'm not going to do much more of this, guys, because there's a lot of stuff to do with it. So that is the beginning of it, and then a googly, guys. So this will be the end result of your dancing love heart. Okay, the next guy I'm doing is the toilet roll love heart. So what you need again is a toilet roll. You paint it blue, and when you paint the toilet roll, what I do is I always put my hands in like this. So this is step 1, and you paint it all blue. And if you want to dry it quickly, a hair dryer is a great thing to use. After it's done, like this, we need a blue love heart. So again, I got my blue card and I traced out a big love heart and 4 small ones. Okay, so we again will cut out the big guy first. Now remember, the cutting out doesn't have to be a perfect love heart. I might make a mess too. So that's what I'm doing right now. So there is the big love heart. So he is going in the lost my toilet roll here. So you put this guy like this. Okay. So that's step 2. You staple it on. Then I have a little red ones, okay, because I want a little one for his face. So I have a little one for his face. And we staple that. Oh, actually, we can do that one. I get my glue, PVA glue, and I just put the glue brush. Okay, push glue, like this. Okay, and you put that there like this. So you see it coming to life? So that is step 3. So one was painting the toilet roll, the second was cutting the blue love heart, and the third was cutting the small one. I then had to cut out 4 more. No, I'm just going blue this time. Again, you go your own colour. So you cut out 4 blue ones. And how much have I got left? I just don't want to go over time or if I'm going too fast, but you can always stop it and look what I'm doing and come back to it again. It's hard not leaning over a child's shoulder showing what to do. It's a lot easier than talking to a camera, but that's the way it is right now. So we've got 4 love hearts. So in total we have 5 love hearts. 6 love hearts. I can't even count those. Okay, so 6 is over here again. So next thing we need to get the blue. Again, if you haven't got blue, you can use white. So we take 2 for his hands. Okay, and what I did then was I'm going to staple these in the back like this. Okay, again, mind your fingers. And we staple the love heart here for his hand. And a love heart here for his hand. Okay, we get 2 googly eyes. These are very big ones. Again, if you've got googly eyes, bottle tops, whatever. Let's put 2 in here. I've got 2 green ones. Okay, these are very big, guys. So, and you need nails for these things. So it looks a bit distorted with big eyes, but it doesn't matter. So, okay, different? Definitely. And then we get 2 more strips for his legs. I'm going to do them once for his legs. I'll try these ones. Okay. Remember, lines don't have to be straight either. We don't use rulers. We just use our own shapes. Okay? I'm going to try that now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this bit instead. So made a V, put it in like this, turn it, and staple. And 1 more love heart. Oh, he's way too big now, so I'm going to make this love heart smaller. There's a very big body here, but it doesn't matter. As you can see, they never look like the one you did before. And we put it like here. And a leg here. So there is a bit different to this guy. There's your step-by-step toilet roll love heart. Now the last guy we're doing, which I just love. So a lot of shapes with this. So first of all, we did 2 love hearts, okay? So I traced 2 love hearts, okay? And I cut them out. Again, you can have safety scissors. So with 1 love heart, we have the second one. The colors I used in all these was black, yellow, white, and blue. But again, like I always say, you can have any colors you want. It's your work, not mine or anybody else's. It's yours. So 2 love hearts on my crunchy nut conflict box. Then I need the bee body. I know I cut pretty fast, but that's just me at a long time. So we've got the bee body. Where's the man's head? Oh, we have his head. This is the circle again. You don't have to do a round circle if you want to have it. Well, round circle, push a round circle. If you want any other shape. Sorry, guys. So this is 1, and then right, okay, this is 2. So here's his body, step 1. Here's his head, step 2. Yeah. 2 love hearts, step 3. I'm sure you know I'm done. So step 3. He's kind of starting to look like one. That's the wrong love heart. He's starting to look like one. So there we go. Now I did 2 circles then for his eyes. Doesn't he look like a bumblebee now? So we get 2 circles. These are quite big, so 1 circle, 2 circles. Now if you get love heart stickers in the pound shop or office supplies are great, there's a huge range in there. You can look in there and see if you get what you want. So 2 eyes for you, man. Oh no, I've got to get a hole punch first, guys. So I need to put a hole here and a hole here. So right now we've all his body stapled except his eyes. So we need to get a pipe cleaner. So I got a blue pipe cleaner. I cut it in half. I might get time to color, but again, that's your ideas how to color it anyway. So we need 1 here, just around your hands. So there's 1 guy, 1 antenna. And here's the other antenna. Now we put on his eyes. So 1 eye here, and 1 eye here. I got love heart stickers. Now again, if you have get love heart stickers, you can make your own, remember? So we're going to put 1 love heart sticker up here. And 1 love heart sticker up here. Okay. then we got 2 googly eyes again. I'll give him, what color will I give him? I was going to give him yellow, so 2 yellow googly eyes. So 2 eyes. I had stickers, I had stuff left from other classes, so like there's all little love hearts there as well. I'll show you in a sec that you can put on or draw your own love hearts. So this one here. No nails, guys. Shoot. Notice I use very little glue in this, but if you need to use the glue, you can. Okay, there's his eyes. Get a black marker and I'll do a cute little mouse. And then I do the lines with one piece, so again they don't be straight lines. See, so most of the steps are his body with all the different shapes, the pipe cleaner, the love hearts, the colours, and this is the way he turned out. Okay, so this is your love heart bumblebee, which is very simple if you go step by step, very simple and very pretty. Here is our toilet roll guy. And I'm missing one guy. And here is our dancing love heart. Now guys, if you can come back with any ideas, I'm going too fast, too slow, please let me know, because I'm only starting. I'm only a beginner at this, like always. Okay, so take care and enjoy your craft. Bye.